Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to reset your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a factory data reset on your Xiaomi Google TV, just going to show this video. For that, first of all, go inside the setting option. After going inside the setting option, you just need to go to the option called system. So just swipe down and you have this option called system. Click on this. After going into the system option, we just need to go to the about. So just enter into this and just go to the about section. Just enter to the about section, and here you have this option called reset. Now you have this option called factory reset. If you just click on this, and you have these two options, cancel and factory reset. So I'm just going to cancel it, and this is how you just reset your Xiaomi Google TV. It will be completely reset your TV, and it will be also deleting the data. So before making a factory data reset, think twice. And I think this video helped. Do not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique.